What's up guys, this is BenMSC, and today we are working on another mission in San Mateo. This particular mission is called Death Truck, I think. Yeah, the Death Truck.
According to our intel, there's a cartel death truck that collects corpses across San Mateo and delivers them to someone called El Pozolero.
I got it, I'll fly.
Intercept the truck and force the driver to give up El Pozolero's location.
Okay, so here we go. I gotta intercept this truck, not kill the driver, and interrogate him. Hope this goes well. I'm not sure. Does he have a... He has no... Looks like protection, so I'm just gonna come up behind it and start shooting.
This fucker alive.
He's already got to load him back full of goddamn bodies. Say the word, boss.
Whoa, it's not good. I almost wrecked this.
Damn, that sure got his attention.
Here we go. This worked out really well. Whoop. Interrogate the driver. Okay, here we go. Here, let's interrogate him.
You El Pozolero?
For serious? Fuck no, I'm not that Diablo. I just drive the truck, way, nada más.
Tell me his name and where to find him.
His name's Raul something. Raul Morillo. You sure you want me to tell you where he is?
Motherfucker, tell me where El Pozolero is. I ran out of patience 2 days ago.
All right, I'll tell you where he is. Pero, we should never found out.
Bowman, this is Nomad. The driver gave us El Pozolero's real name, Raul Murillo. He also gave up Pozolero's location.
Outstanding. I'll run Murillo's name and send you whatever background I can find.
This one's weird, Bowman. These cartel goons are staying away from El Pozolero like he's got the plague.
That might be why there's such little chatter about him. Be careful. There's a lot of unknowns here. Just make sure he's alive. Otherwise, we'll never get confirmation on these missing people.
You got the Death Truck and El Pozolero.
We've got a location on El Pozolero. Go and get this bastard and bring him to me. He's got a lot to answer for.
Okay, I have a plan. My plan is to go as low as I can down to the ground over here. How there's like a cliff face, pop up with the helicopter and land right on top of
now. Let's go find El Pozolero.
this building.
You guys smell that?
Christ, the fuck is it? Death, man. Fucking death.
I got eyes on El Pozolero. Remember, we need him alive.
Ah, shit. We've been spotted.
Not yet, we haven't.
The lieutenant's trying to escape.
I could care less about that, Lieutenant.
We got a sniper. Get down.
Oh.
Next to the container. Find some fucking cover.
Manos arriba. Let me see those hands.
Hola, señores. You're taller than the usual delivery people.
Okay, I gotta somehow get him out of here. There's a vehicle right in front of this.
Chopper, hit the dirt.
Okay, I thought this normally most vehicles have the you're able to put a trunk in. Crap. I'm escaping. This didn't go as planned.
Get down.
Okay, here we go. There's a helicopter up there.
Man down. Just hold on to your.
Oh, we got a man down. That sucks. It is, those are NPCs. So it's not like it really matters.
We're cool.
Okay, so
we're
it looks
cool.
like they are no longer engaging.
If we're staying
So I just need to get
I
there.
should probably have me also.
Your bear. Like a teddy bear?
Oh, it's not what you think. I'm not overly afraid of the dark, but Pepito will think I'm cheating on him. Nidia Flores once gave me a jirafa azul, and Pepito said the nastiest things to him. I had to spank him. Pepito, that is, not the giraffe.
Is this guy for real or is he fucking with us?
I think he's fucking for real. Something kept his mind from growing up the whole way.
Do all Americans curse as much as you do? I'm supposed to wash away an American this week, but he hasn't arrived yet. Not that it would matter to me if he cursed much or not. I just do my job. I don't judge other people.
Wash away an American. You mean put this American in a barrel and cover him with lye?
Claro que sí.
Oh, no, no, no. Please don't slide down the hill. Oh, okay. Thank God this rock was here, otherwise this would have slid down the whole hill, and he probably would have died.
Coming with us, fuckface.
Why are you angry with me? Estoy trabajando. I'm doing my work.
This hombre ain't all there, man.
Doesn't matter. We still exfil to the RP. Let Bowman have a look. I can handle stupid and I can handle grim, but I sure don't like seeing them in one package.
He's not exactly stupid. He's emotionally underdeveloped. He didn't learn the proper way to react to the dead. Like his brain broke?
He's disassociating.
Exactly.
I, for one, am not gonna let my kids burn ants anymore.
Be sure to leave a like, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Well, we captured El Pozolero, so, well, see you guys next time.